Hello and welcome back to my channel. It's the Meds of San Diego and today is Sunday. I'm off from work but doing some errands, and I'm gonna do an oil change of my car and do some grocery shopping later. So join me in my Sunday afternoon vlog. So this is where my oil change gonna be. It's the Valvoline instant oil change, and it's a drive-through, so that I don't need to go out of my car. It just needs to wait for someone in front of me. I'm trying to cover the plate number of the car in front of me, and so yeah, I'm just waiting in the car. And I think I called earlier. They gave me a 10% discount, plus they're gonna rotate my tires, they're gonna check the fluids and all that stuff. So this is about $70, tax included, so it's a good steal. Let's see what's gonna happen later. So just a quick update, I'm on the process of my oil change, plus my brake light is not working, so they're gonna change it too, and they're gonna fix something in my steering wheel, plus the brake fluid, the wiper fluid, and everything is $67 for now, but I think I need to pay another $15 for the light, and I got a discount for being a healthcare worker, so that's a good deal. So yeah, he's doing something in my car. What kind of bulb is that?
Hey, he's back. You did great, right? I'm checking right now.
Okay, thank you. Alright, and we have a new air filter right here. Yeah, I know. Yeah, I know. Okay. You got the electric? So another update, they asked me to change the air conditioning filter of my car because they said it's getting dirty, and it cost me another $30. So now I'm paying $130. That includes tax, my light, the filter, and everything. So they're working at the same time. The guy in the back is replacing my That's it. It's done. The oil was changed. Okay, I'm almost done with my oil change and I'm going to the groceries after this, but just need to pay. He's checking something.
What was the TP on 3? 34, thank you. So what am I missing? We got $10 off to $61.99. Then we charge $1.99 for hazard fee. Air filter for $29.99.
Okay.
No? And then we did a maintenance check. We checked the drain plug, which is good. Drain plug and gasket, your brake fluid, power steering, battery, and your coolant reservoir, they were okay. And then we set the tires at 34 each all around.
Okay.
Conditions check. Your windshield, we add washing fluid.
Okay,
And
thank
then
you.
the lubrications are sealed.
Thank
Is there
you.
anything we can help you? Or you're okay on everything now? Anything else that you need, or we're okay?
Okay, thank you.
All right, now let's
Because it's so narrow and there's hole. I'm good? Good? I know it's so scary to get out of there. Good, thank you. Because it's so narrow and there's hole. So I'm so scared to drive. But I'm good now. So my next stop will be at a grocery store.
Yay.
Yay.
Hello? Closer.
So I am here at Smart and Final and I'm doing some grocery shopping. I did my oil change, but I don't think I can vlog inside. I'll try to, but we'll see.